In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PayPal account to Shopify step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to connect PayPal account to Shopify, first open your web browser and go to the Shopify website, then log in to your Shopify store dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Next, inside the Settings menu, find and select the option that says Payments. This is where you manage all the payment methods for your store. On the Payments page, scroll until you find the PayPal section. Shopify usually provides PayPal as one of the available payment providers. Next, click on the PayPal option, and then select Complete Setup. You'll now be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account, click Next, and then type in your PayPal password to sign in. After signing in, PayPal will ask you to authorize the connection between your PayPal account and your Shopify store. Review the permissions and policies shown on the screen, then approve the request to allow Shopify to process payments through your PayPal account. If prompted, enter the required business details and confirm the information. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.